Hey guys, my name's Maddie and today we are going to be doing some block printing with Block Party and Join. We are going to be using the Leopard Print kit and you can find some of the blocks in the kit on this table here. And I'm thinking a nice design on the tote bag, something that can maybe match with my trousers. Whoa! First, I'm putting this card inside the tote bag to make sure that no ink seeps through when we're block printing. I have already pre-prepared some of the paint mixed together with a nice combination of some of the inks here. If you go into the print guide, right at the back, there's a really helpful page that gives you a little bit of detail of what colors you can use and the combinations. So now I'm putting some of the ink onto my ink plate and I am going to roll it out with my rubber brayer over here. So I'm going to get this rubber brayer and rub it all over this block. Now I've got this completely covered, it is time to get printing. Let's go. We've done it. Okay, block number 2. So I'm going to line it up directly next to the one that we just did. Now make sure you're pressing really hard onto your tote bag and give it a little knock. I've just finished painting the last block that I am going to put onto the tote bag. So let's see how this one goes. And slowly pull it off. Now we are ready to be using block number 2. And I have decided to use some black paint, just like this. So the key thing with this one is to make sure that everything is lined up because we are printing over the top of what we've already done. Give it a knock. Oh, look at that. Okay, 1 down, 2 to go. Now we're done using the block onto our tote bag, I'm just going to use my paintbrush and fill in any bits that we missed. You might be covered, just like me. And here we go. This is the finished product. And just like we said, it matches my trousers.